In this video, you'll learn how to add Binance to Google Authenticator. This process will enhance the security of your Binance account by utilizing two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you will successfully link the app to your Binance account. Begin by downloading Google Authenticator from your device's app store. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Once the download is complete, install the application and open it. You will need to prepare the app for scanning a QR code, so make sure it remains open while you set up the security features on Binance. Next, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. After logging in, locate the security settings within your account dashboard. This section is usually found in the profile menu or settings icon. Once you are in the security settings, look for the option labeled Authenticator app and select it to proceed with the setup. At this point, Binance will display a QR code on your screen. You will now need to scan this QR code using the Google Authenticator app you opened earlier. To do this, tap on the plus icon or begin setup within the Authenticator app and select Scan a QR code. Align the QR code within the scanning frame and the app will automatically capture it. This action adds your Binance account to the Google Authenticator app. Once the QR code is scanned, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit verification. You need to enter this code into the designated field on Binance. This step is crucial as it confirms that the app is properly linked to your account. After entering the code, submit it to complete the authentication process. After submitting the verification code, wait for a confirmation message from Binance. This message will indicate that two-factor authentication has been successfully activated. You should now see the Authenticator listed as an active security method in your security settings. From this point forward, you will use the generated codes from Google Authenticator whenever login verification is required for added security. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.